Okay, so this video talks about quantiles. So remember, quantiles are things like quartiles, the median is a quantile, deciles, percentiles, any of those things, they're all quantiles. So the median, of course, is the point that cuts the data in half. It's going to be an x value, and it cuts the area under the curve in half because that is the middle in terms of the median. So the median lies at the point r. Now remember, r, it is an x value, okay, where the integral from a to r, this area here, of our function is equal to half. So that formula there will give you the median. So given y equals f of x is defined on the domain a to b. So here's an example. Find the median of the continuous probability distribution defined as f of x equals x squared over 63 on the domain from 3 to 6. So let's have a go at that. So we'll start by using that formula. So our a is 3. Remember, that's our ab. So from 3 to r, okay, of our function. So x squared on 63 with respect to x equals half. And we just need to solve that for r, and that'll give us our x value that is a median. So feel free to pause the video and do it, and then watch me do it, or try and do it yourself at the same time, up to you. So I'm going to integrate my function. So bring a 3 to the bottom, and that's from 3 to r and equal to half. Sub in our r and our 3, and I'll multiply out my denominator as well. So r cubed, that's 189, minus 3 cubed on 189 equals half. If you want to, you can actually multiply by the 189 here, but it's useful to have this if you've got more problems. But I'm going to just multiply both sides by 189 now. So times 189 on that side, times 189 on that side. Okay, so my 189s are gone. I'm left with r cubed minus 3 cubed is 27. I'm just going to write that as 189 on 2 to keep it as an exact value. Add the 27, of course, so r cubed, so that's 189 on 2 plus 27. That's equal to 243 on 2. Okay, and then of course take the cube root. So r equals the cube root of 243 on 2, which is approximately equal to 4.95. Generally 2 decimal places is fine for that kind of thing. Just a side note too, that can also be written as the value where we can see that the probability of x being less than 4.95 equals half. That is another way of writing it, because remember, the probability that x being less than r is equal to the integral from a to r. So that's equal to that formula. Those two things are exactly the same thing.